Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Forgotten Ones. We on part 8, and we're making a lot of progress here. So I was looking around this room, and I seen a little glowy thingy. Candle, glowy thingy. There's a switch. 'Cause I think I was supposed to do something with this. I don't really know. Why does it do that? Okay, we're making progress. Is that it? Is that everything? Maybe? I don't know. Am I supposed to use something for this? What would I be using? Oops. I don't know how to use that. Actually, I didn't mean to use that. Okay. Maybe this? No? Oh, wait. Turn the wheel. Okay, whatever. I guess it's on. That shit is bumping. I feel like I didn't do it right. Like, I don't know what it is. Yeah, I don't think I did it right because it's supposed to. Everything's supposed to light up in there. I guess I didn't do it right. I don't know. Let me look around in that room again. Just. I'm supposed to hold the button down. Oh, my eye. Something's in my eye. How long am I supposed to turn the phone? Oh, okay. That's supposed to turn it up. There we go. I think that's how it's supposed to do it. Oh, what's my eye hurting? Get out of there, guy. Was that how we're supposed to do it? Did I do it right? Push the button. Am I supposed to close it? I have no idea. I think it's supposed to be passing out with water, so, you know, whatever. Don't even make a freaking difference. No, the generator isn't, what the? Okay, we're definitely not gonna spend too much time. Oh, okay. We got linkage. Oh, okay, here we go. Whoa, wait a minute. The door's open. Wait, the door always been open. Wait, the door hasn't always been open. Okay. Something's about to happen, isn't it? Let's hold our breath. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, no! No! Come on, slow down, bro. Slow down, bro. Oh, you're gonna make me reload. Oh, okay, we're good though. I knew something was gonna happen. Ah. I knew something was gonna happen. I can't even lie. It's cause the door was open. Okay? Something else is gonna happen, isn't it? Now we got water posting out of here. I have no idea what that's supposed to mean. But I use my hopefully nothing pops up. Oh no, not now. Not now. Please not now. I'm recording. Please don't call me while I'm recording. I love you, Mom. Like, again. So if when you watch this video, I am recording. Please don't judge me. I mean, please don't, whatever. I'm supposed to turn this. Okay, turn this. Turn this. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. I have no idea why would I be wanting water to toast out of here, but... I remember I was looking at the picture, it seemed like there was a broken pipe somewhere, but... I don't even remember where it's at, though. Shut up with the little cricket! I can do it too. Shut the hell up. Pissing me off. Oh, shit. Wait. Okay, everybody's calling me. Writing me. I'm important. I'm a very important person. I need to tighten it somehow. Oh, okay. That's what I got the wrist for. Okay, so we're making progress. Now, what I'm honestly ready about do is to run out and go save it. Okay. So why did I do that, though? Wait. Why? Was that all? Was that the only reason why I did this? Wasn't there supposed to be another switch somewhere over here, maybe? Oh, it was to drain the water. Okay. So, what we're going to do is we're going to run out and save it because I don't have... Oh, shit! Oh! I'll jump on top of the damn car! Get on top of the car! I demand you. You savage. There was another one. There was another one. There was another one. Wasn't there another one? Get... You're joking, right? Oh, you... Okay. Okay, see... I was just trying to be nice. I was just trying to be... What the fuck? Okay, again, I was just trying to be nice. You guys want to go to war. You know what? If this is how y'all want it, it's wartime. Don't even touch me, bro. Do not touch me. You can't touch this. Oh, wait a minute. That was the guy from the beginning that I never killed. I forgot all about him. How you doing, bro? You alright? You look kinda twisted over there. You look kind of hurt. You look kind of hurt there, man. You look stressed. In fact, you look ugly. I want my baby, my baby, my baby, my baby, my baby, my baby, my baby. Okay, let me stop. I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna have to restart that because, my health isn't regenerating and I don't know what I'm gonna encounter, so I need, that was like easy. But yeah, I need as much health as I can possibly get right now because I can't, you know what I'm saying? And this game really has like random generated monsters or something because they do seem to just appear out of nowhere. So that's actually not a good thing. At least I don't think it's a good thing. Well, actually it's a wonderful thing, but okay, so how the hell do I do that? Oh, I gotta press the button to do that. Nothing pops up in my face, please. Where the hell are we? Think outside the box. I haven't been rewarded for thinking outside the box. I'm just letting y'all know because I've been coming up with some brilliant ideas and nothing's been working. Actually, I haven't been coming up with some brilliant ideas. I've just been randomly running around screaming, "Law!" Something like that. Excuse me. Please nothing pop up on me. I saved the game. So, you know, what the hell is this? Shouldn't touch this. I should've... What the fuck? It's locked. I need a key. I need a key. Okay. Obviously, that's not the key. No, that couldn't be the key neither. Maybe it's the basement key. Please don't tell me. Please don't tell me it's the rusted key that I can't get to! Ah! 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 Oh man. Oh man. I must have missed something. Oh man. Please excuse my dog in the background if you guys can hear her, because she's just up. No, she's upset just like me, you know. So we're both upset right now because, you know, we put in so much hard work in here, and we put so much hard work in here, and you know, what the, why is it so dark in here? I shouldn't go back yet. Okay, so what the hell? Wait, where am I going? I'm going back to the music room. So, you know what? To make my life easier, I'm just going to continue from there, and then I'm gonna go try to find the music room. This is terrible, though. I don't like that area. You got some creatures that just be popping up on me, and when they pop up, they don't just say, hello, how you doing? They say, oh, like the guy was crunk dancing. Like, what the hell? I don't remember where the hell is the music room at, honestly. Choke down this picture. I really don't remember where the music room is. I think it was down this hall. Was it down this hall? Could it be down this hall? I gotta go. Yeah, I think it is down this hall. Shut up! Oh, I can break those? So, back to the music room we go. Because apparently we need a key. Wait a minute. Does that mean I have to do all of that again? I can't remember. This damn thing is so dark. In my last video though, I was watching some of my last video, and I seen that I was I think I was doing something wrong or something crazy. I don't really remember, but I do apologize for my last video's incompletion. Actually, I'm bugging. I actually did pretty fine with my last video. I just can't really. I just can't get the damn key. I don't know why, but I can't seem to get the key. So maybe there's something around here for some particular reason. There's a body bag. I have no idea why is there a body bag. Coffee table, couches, and all that noise. Get up on that man phone. Nobody asking you. It's getting hot in here. I do not like you. I hope you know that. I do not like you. I'm not even if I could. Okay, so I thought this was like you can do certain puzzles or something like that, and that's it, but I need this key though. I need this key. I don't know what else am I supposed to do. I know it won't work. Oh, I think I'm supposed to play the songs at the same time. Did that work? Okay. Okay. Unfortunately, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. But, um, I'm the music room again. I don't understand why, but I need this key so I can get into that place with the thing and the stuff. So we're getting there. We're so close to the end, but this game is not allowing us to beat it. However, though, I am heroic and so are you. And we're gonna beat this together, whether it's the game likes it or not. So I'm gonna end this video here, and I will see you in my next video. So bye bye.